Namaste YouTube, welcome to Cafe Noma and welcome to our reaction to Bruce Chanel, and we are going to react to the song Hey Baby. Let's get started with this one.
Yeah, it's part of our Mega Reaction Fest 7. Let's get started with listening to this song for the first time. Bruce Chanel, Hey Baby.
Saw you walking down the street. I said that's the kind of gal I like to meet. She's so pretty, Lord, she's fine. I'm gonna make her mine, all mine. Hey, hey, baby, I wanna know if you'll be my girl. When you turned and walked away, that's when I wanna say, come on, baby, give me your world. I wanna know if you'll be my girl. Hey, baby, I wanna know if you'll be my girl. When you turned and walked away, that's when I wanna say, come on, baby, give me your world. I wanna know if you'll be my girl. Hey, baby, I wanna know if you'll be my girl.
Wow, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Oh. What
Wow.
do you think of this
His
song?
soulful
Kirti?
voice, that harmonica that plays all along with him, it literally sings the song in the harmonica way. And then that piano, it was perfect. It is golden song from the golden era. It sounds good. It was short and it is amazing to listen to. It just fills you with a lot of joy when you're listening to it.
Yeah, and with
It's
a
pure
very
joy.
playful, innocent, and earnest request, hey girl, will you be my baby? Oh, the way his vocal artistry is beautiful. He changes his voice so brilliantly, and at the end, the way he sang that,
So smooth.
the last two lines was absolutely incredible. This is the kind of music you could hear all day long. Oh, it's nostalgia. You know, it takes you back, it takes me back in time to my childhood days, teenage years. This is the kind of music that would fill our homes quite often. Incidentally, this song sounds very familiar. I don't know where I've heard it, but very, very familiar, the whole thing. Very, very nice. I'm assuming it's very popular and it probably played on the radio while I was a kid or growing up. Beautiful, beautiful song during our Mega Reaction Fest 7. Wow. Bruce, it's pronounced as Chanel, I'm assuming, but it's written as Channel.
I know.
So not really sure, but it probably is Chanel.
Yeah.
Bruce Chanel, Hey Baby. Wow. Just so beautiful. And like Kirti said, that harmonica tune, that harmonica that accompanies his voice throughout the song. Oh, it's just beautiful. It's just blissful. It's romantic. Oh, what are your thoughts on songs like these? Have you grown up with them? Have you heard this song many times before? Who is this artist, Bruce Chanel? Never heard him ever before, I think.
Yeah, I'm not too sure about the surname pronunciation myself.
Yeah,
correct.
3 years, 4 months on YouTube, and a lot of music before that too, heard in our lifetimes. But never heard of this artist. So let us know a little bit about him. Does he have more songs? The album cover mentioned and 10 other songs about hey baby, about your baby. So maybe he has more romantic songs like this.
Valentine's Day kind
I would
songs.
love to hear them. If they are even half as good as this one, I would love to hear them all. And that's a promise. I love music like this. Just beautiful. It's pure. It's it's raw. It's so innocent. It's earnest, and it has a lot of degree of sincerity in every line, and that is what you like. And it's beautiful.
It's beautiful.
That's it for this one. Anything you'd like to say at the end? Mega Reaction Fest 7 has just begun.
I know.
What are your
a great
thoughts on
start. I like the song. I like the start of our Mega Reaction Fest 7. I don't know. We have more fest on our channel then actually YouTube gives us the subscribers on our channel, so that's something to celebrate and be proud of, that we keep doing what we think is right for this platform and for our subscribers, for our viewers, and rest is up to God.
Each human being only lives once.
Yeah.
Only lives once. So it makes sense to make that life worthwhile. So we are here to make our time on this platform worthwhile and our time on earth worthwhile. So we are not going to be, being sad all the time, unless the songs are that way, that are requested. But songs like this just make you feel good.
It's joyful, it's delightful.
That's it for this one. Bruce Chanel, be Hey Baby.